Okay, we're installing Vista on my new hard drive, the other one's fucked. It's only had it for a bloody month. And already it's broken, isn't that great? I was trying to ghost it, but the program I was using didn't actually see any of the hard drives, which is not exactly very handy, I'm gonna admit. Well, it's a little further on in English. It's gonna take a little while now, but I don't know, half an hour or some shit. That's the new one. That's the crappy old one that broke. 64-bit, please. Doesn't recognise 4 gig of RAM otherwise. I accept it. Christ alive. Although, I tell you what, as I'm here, got my auto vacuum. It's a cool little robot hoover. Not overly brilliant, but actually that's a lie, it's brilliant. Just because I'm a lazy twat, that's why I say I'm a lazy twat. Oh, come on. Okay, installing updates. Slowly getting there. Bit by bit. Take your time, I don't mind. I'll keep playing Xbox right now. Bit of Call of Duty 4 action or some shit. Bit of Guitar Hero. Restart now. Some more shit. I was going to transfer all my stuff from the old hard drive to the new one, but I don't think it will last long enough to do that. It works for a little while and then it just stops because it's a bit crap. Not buying that brand again. But installing stuff takes a long ass time. I had Call of Duty 4 in here. Right there. Bit dark, but you get the point. And it doesn't save the rank, so that's a bit crap, so I have to stick with it on the 360 instead. Alright. Now that I've installed what I need to install, well, the basics anyway, I'm going to format the old hard drive. Well, I say the old hard drive when I actually mean a month-old hard drive, but you get the point. It doesn't work anymore because it's crap. Quick format. Yeah, whatever. Format this and then it will be done. I can get back to doing what I usually do. Not a lot. Awesome. Thank you. And there we go. Catch you later.